Yo, what's good, PIP N DIP family? Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $2,200 in 3 hours. Literally made it in my sleep, and let's just get right into it, right? So when I approached the market this week, we were looking a little something like this. And what I had noticed was it looked like price had latched onto this to push further down. So I was like, okay, there's a good possibility that we latch onto something in here to push further down, right? So then I went to my minute 15 and I had marked up that minute 15 order block within that zone because I'm looking for areas to refine, right? And also my minute 5 order block right there. So then I let price do its thing, make its way back up. And as you can see, boom, right there, right? We get tapped into our minute 5 order block, and right there we break. So I'm now going to get these out my way, and I'm just going to refine this to my minute 5 order block. And the first thing I notice is don't close in there, right? So what this is telling me is that price could still push into here, but that I have enough confirmation to call sells from here. So at this point, I've set my limits. I've sent them in my chat. If you guys are interested, I do free signals and VIP signals. I'm going to leave the link to both of those as well as my free Discord in the chat, right? But so at this point, I have my sells placed from right there, and my stop loss is going to be a conservative stop loss, going to be just to the top of here, right? Now, what I did was I went on other time frames, and right away I noticed on the minute 4, right, my order block changes to here, and that this closes within there. So now that I can tell that this closes in there, I use a more aggressive trade on this one, and I go like this. Since my order block closed in here and then it broke structure, it gave me enough confidence to be like, okay, I could use my stop loss just at the end of the candle. Since these are both refined from the hour 1, I went back to my hour 1 to find my take profit level, and I saw the liquidity resting right here, which is right about at that 200 psychological level. So I figured it'd be a really good target for myself just to be in and out of this trade, because if you look at this one, that's a 1 to 9, and this one is just about a 1 to 4, right? And I understand we do have liquidity resting down here, but I'm just looking to get this quick move, make my money, and leave the market. And if the market presents itself for another opportunity, yeah, sure, I could obviously keep looking to target into those areas. So let's start to let this play out. See market, does its thing, works its way down, and now both of our limits are tapped in. And so here what I noticed was on the minute 4 as well, we close in this order block over here. Because, we had this order block, it closes in there, and then it breaks structure again. So what I did over here was I had this marked up, and I was looking for a scaling over here. I didn't end up taking this. I'm just showing you guys it's rinse and repeat. And even if you miss the first 2, 3, 4 entries, like there's always another way. And if I were to get in this one, I could be looking to take this all the way down here, or just say I same take profit. But regardless, I'm going to let this play out. And you can see those first 2 trades, sprint to take profit. It literally comes back up, snipes you in, and then does the same thing and just sprints its way to take it. And it starts to push, even further down to that new zone we have. And you can see right here, in my current market data, we're still not there. I can't say for a fact we're going to get there, but even if you took this to it's all the way down, it's almost a 1 to 10. And I'm sure that's still, even if you just took it to that first TP, that's a 1 to 7.5. That's a great trade, And so I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.